Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2018 Subaru Outback. This is the premium model with the 2.5 liter boxer 4-cylinder. Very nice, dark blue pearl. And the best part is 13,000 miles. That's pretty cool, actually. As you can see all that. Sorry. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take it out on the road. It is a CVT transmission, meaning there's no actual gears. It's all a series of belts and pulleys to mimic gear ratios. In manual mode, you have 7 mimicked gear ratios, and you can use your paddle shifters to shift through them. There's your lane departure warning. It's all in all pretty cool. all. Actually, really a lot of fun. As I stated before, you have your lane departure. It will also steer you back into the lane. If you really want to upset it, you can ride the lane and it will come up with lane departure. It also has forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring. I mean, you really... you actually kind of have to try to crash one of these. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.